my shoe!
Look at how much snow we got. Alex, where are your eyes?
There you go.
And we are literally buried in.
Of course we're buried in. Look at the plane. Here, move.
Oh, the snow. Here, Lissy, sit down on it, and Alex will take you.
Go ahead.
You're not scared. You did it with Daddy the one night.
No, it's okay.
Here, Mama help you get in and sit down.
Okay. Sit down.
There you go. Ready? Run, Alex. You gotta run, too. Hold on,
Wait,
Lissy.
too far back.
Scooch up a little bit, Lissy.
Here.
There. That's good.
Let's cover it out.
No. They were having so much fun in the snow, right, Sadie? Sadie!
Want to get in the snow? Here. Sliding. Hold on. Watch it. Watch what I'm doing. Lissy, look. I like shovel.
You want a what?
Shovel. Good.
You want a shovel? Go get your shovel up there.
Sadie, I'm going to go swing.
Alex, you're not swinging.
I know. I'm bored. No, don't whip them hard at it. You have to jump off.
She can't even get going.
This ain't fun.
What do you got, Pumpkin?
Look at my sheet. Oh, it's tied on my toe.
You see your seat all covered with snow?
Ready?
Look, we got little pea stains all along the very thin walkway.
Grab a hold of it, I'll pull you.
Are you cold, Alex? What the heck were you just doing?
Alex, grab a hold of it, I'm going to pull you.
Lissy's shoveling.
Oh, I wish we had some hot chocolate. Alex, grab a hold of the thumb.
Woohoo, Lissy! Lissy, we're going to throw snowballs at Daddy in a minute.
No.
Let's go find Daddy.
Alex, let's start making them.
I don't know. Does it pack real good? Shovel a walkway to the garage.
Heather, I'm never good at making perfect ones.
You are... Can't even see people's cars. That's got to be what? 3 feet of snow?
This is the biggest I can make
Little
one.
Sadie, little Sadie. A Xena
This is the biggest I can
wiener.
make a snowball.
Hi, Xena girl. Are you cold? It's my dear toes, huh? Okay, that's fine. With what?
It's our snowy.
With what?
It's all cold. Here, there's snow in my jacket.
Alex, your cheeks are like...
Bright red.
Yeah. Well, you got snow in your jacket because you keep throwing yourself in the snow. Lissy, what are you doing? Alright, Axel. Everybody's all covered up, nice and warm. Got the boots on. Hold that, why? I sure did, damn it. What are you doing, Lissy?
And there's someone right there, Heather. You stepped in again.
That's freaking gross. all this damn snow out and I step in dog shit. Ew, it stinks too.
Ew.
Look at this. I'm throwing that at Chad. Lizzie, where are you going? Are you climbing the mountain?
Heather!
I know. We gotta get Daddy out here.
Heather, you should... My finger's stuck! My finger's stuck.
You got it?
Yeah, never put your tongue to a cold pool.
Do it, Alex.
Uh-uh!
I double dog dare you. I triple dog dare you.
No.
Alex, your cheeks are so freaking red. Are you cold?
No. I just want the freaking snow out of here.
Well, you gotta go in the back room and take your jacket off. Oh, look at the pretty icicles hanging.
I want one to eat.
So pretty.
Again.
Oh,
Ask her
freaking
what
hell.
do you want.
Alright, we're gonna go blast Chad with freaking snowballs. Oh, we can't. He locked the dang door. Dang it.
Get let's help her. I'm gonna tell Daddy, come here. Come on, let's go get Daddy.
Can you get her?
Come on, here. Daddy, come here. Dad. Come on. Come here. Okay, here, quick.
Girls,
Help.
girls, we should put your fucking snowball down, Tara. We should blast them all at the same time.
Oh, you're a hat. Look
Come here,
here.
Alex. Let's get them at the same time. I thought you were going to be coming in the garage.
Oh, then why you're standing there staring at that door with a fucking snowball?
Yeah. What? Yeah, I know. I keep stuffing in dog shit.
What's not here?
What?
Do a snow dance for me.
I did one last night, it's probably gone already.
Do a snow dance again for me.
Can't do a snow dance.
Flop yourself down on the ground and flop around like a fish.
You're fucking nuts. I gotta go to 2 hours to get an hour.